Welcome to today's video, where we will explore the advantages of cloves. Cloves are aromatic flower buds that come from the clove tree, scientifically known as Syzygium aromaticum. They are commonly used as a spice in various cuisines, and have been used for their medicinal properties for centuries. Consuming a single clove daily can result in astonishing health benefits. So, are you ready to try this remedy? I would love to hear your experiences. Please share your thought in the comments below. So number 1 is digestive health. Are you seeking straightforward approaches to boost your digestive well-being? Cloves can aid digestion by reducing gas and bloating. They may also help relieve nausea and vomiting. Chewing on a clove or drinking clove tea can be soothing for the stomach. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cloves contain compounds like eugenol, which have anti-inflammatory properties, and it has been shown to suppress the growth of viruses and bacteria. Number 3. Skin brightening. Clove extracts may have skin brightening properties that can help even out skin tone and reduce the appearance of dark spots and blemishes. Cloves are abundant in skin-nourishing nutrients like vitamin C and manganese, which play a pivotal role in stimulating collagen production, ultimately contributing to a more youthful appearance. So next is number 4. Weight loss. Are you aiming to lose some excess weight and seeking natural methods to reach your goal? I have some exciting information for you. Compounds found in cloves, such as eugenol, have demonstrated the ability to enhance metabolism, leading to improved calorie utilization within your body. Clove water serves as a natural appetite suppressant, helping to diminish cravings and encouraging a sense of satiety. Number 5 is oral health. Research has shown that cloves oil have been used for centuries to treat dental issues like toothaches and gum pain. They can be found in many toothpaste and oral hygiene products for their antibacterial properties. Eugenol has a numbing effect on the nerves in the affected area when applied topically or when you bite into a whole clove. It can temporarily numb the pain associated with a toothache. Anti-inflammatory properties help reduce gum inflammation, swelling and tenderness. Number 5 is respiratory issues. Cloves are used in various forms to help alleviate respiratory issues, such as coughs, asthma, and bronchitis. Cloves have been used to loosen and expel mucus from the airways. This can be beneficial for individuals dealing with chest congestion. Inhaling the pleasant aroma of cloves can have a calming effect on the respiratory system, promoting relaxation and potentially reducing stress-related respiratory issues. Number 6. Regulating blood sugar level. Studies suggest that eugenol, found in cloves, may help improve insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels, and increased sensitivity to insulin means that your cells are better able to take up and use glucose from the bloodstream. This can help keep blood sugar levels stable. Number 7. Cancer prevention. Chronic inflammation is associated with an increased risk of cancer. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, including eugenol. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can damage cells and DNA, leading to cancer development. Studies have suggested that eugenol may have anti-tumor properties that could inhibit the growth of cancer cells in laboratory settings. Pay attention to your body. Before making significant changes to your health regimen, it's advisable to seek guidance from a healthcare professional. I'd greatly appreciate it if you could share your thoughts in the comments section below, and remember to show your support by liking and subscribing to my channel.